So here's the first mile and a half. Getting to fifth water. Because you have to get to the trailhead first. We made it to the Three Forks trailhead. The water has a certain blue tinge to it. And this isn't even the fork that goes to the hot springs. And they even have facilities. And this looks like the fork that goes to the hot springs. This is a pretty heavily used trail. This is a popular spot to go. So you definitely start gaining some altitude over the river, but it's a pretty straightforward hike. Not a steep grade or anything. When you see this bridge, it's the halfway point. And it's also another fork in the river. The real question is how they got this bridge up here. We're getting closer. There's algae growing in the water. This is a good time to note that there's a lot of trash on this trail. That's kind of pretty, but that's not. So it's actually interesting that the water gets kind of bluish and whitish. And there's a definite smell of sulfur, probably. This is above the hot springs, and the water is kind of lukewarm, but it still has that bluish green tint. Up close, the hot water looks a little like ash. This is one of the spots that the hot water bubbles up. And you can see that a different type of algae is growing. It's kind of clay colored. The area is divided into a series of pools, most of which are human-made dams. And they all are different colors. And this one is kind of a teal blue that's found in much of the river. And continuing down, there's more teal blue water. And this one is very hot. All the pools at the top are pretty hot, hard to get into. And there's these pools along the way from hot to warmer that are almost a neon green. You can see the steam coming off because it's getting colder at almost sunset. And this is more of the green-white, which starts to become a real copper blue as we go farther down into the best pools. And these are the ones that you usually see in the pictures. Totally copper blue. And there are these two kind of assembled pools along the way that are perfect temperature. And going farther downstream, copper blue. There's a few more pools and one waterfall farther down, and at that point it turns into pretty cold water. So, the sun's setting, time to go.